Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is query, subquery, static query, dynamic query. Query. A query is a way to retrieve data stored in the database. It is a statement written to fetch the records from Salesforce database based on organization business requirement. Example, write a query to fetch name field from account object. So we are writing the query, select name from account. Subquery. A subquery is a query nested inside the select, insert, update or delete statement or inside another subquery. Example, write a query to fetch the account records associated with contacts. So we are going to write query, select name, comma, in the bracket, select first name from contacts. Here we need to provide the plural name of S object, bracket close, from account. Static query. In the case when field, object and condition are fixed, then we go for static query. Example, write a query to fetch ID, name fields from account object. So we have to write the query list of account ACC list equals to select ID name from account where name equals to in single quotes Aman. Dynamic query. When field, object change from condition to condition, go for dynamic query. Example, write a query to fetch the record where name is Aman. We are creating a variable of string type str name and holding the value Aman. As this is a string value, so we need to provide in single quotes. So we have to write the query list of account ACC list equals to select name from account where name equals to colon, and here we are passing the variable str name. So let's see the example for all the queries. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So click on setup, developer console, just right click, open link in new tab. So what we had seen in the PPT, that all the values are written over here. So first query was write a query to fetch name field from account object. So we have to write the query, select name from account, copying from here, and just click on this, come to query editor, click here and paste, select name from account, click execute. So we are getting query results, total rows 27. So we are getting all the 27 records for account. So next query is write a query to fetch the account records associated with contacts. So we have to write like this, select name, comma, in bracket, select first name from contacts, yes, should be there, bracket close, from account, click execute. So we are seeing the values of account with contact. So next Write a query to fetch ID name fields from account object. So for this just I am clicking on debug, open execute anonymous window. So here we are writing list of account ACC list, select ID name from account where name equals to Aman in the single quotes it should be, and for printing the value we are writing system.debug result. It is going to display as it is, and here we are taking the variable. At the end we have to put the semicolon, click execute, click debug only. So we are getting one value, Aman is there, and ID for that value. Next we are going to see write a query to fetch the record where name is Aman. So dynamic query this one. So I am copying from here the query, debug execute anonymous window. Here first I am taking str name of string type and putting the value Aman in single quotes because it is a string. List of account ACC list, select name from account where name equals to passing the string name variable by putting the value colon and printing the value system.debug result ACC list. So execute, debug only. So again we are getting the value Aman and its ID. Only one value is there. So like this we are writing the queries. Thank you.